RuleeDollz, we're going to start off with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Base to prep and prime our face. Then we're going to move on to the Benefit Pore Primer. For my brows, I go in with Soap Brows. This is a really good product. It makes your brows stay in place all day. And if you want them soap brows where they just raise up and you just have to fill in a couple of lines, it's the best product ever and it's cheap and cheerful. I then go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Pencil. Then go in with P. Louise Base Rumor number 5. I neaten up my eyebrows and then I draw down the product all over my eyelid to prep my eyelid for some eyeshadow. This is one of the best base because the eyeshadow literally sticks to it. Then we're going to go in with the Norvina Volume 3 palette. It's absolutely stunning. We are going to start with the shade A5. We're going to put that on our outer crease and blend inwards. Then we're going to go back in with the Norvina palette and use A2, which is a beautiful neon orange. We're going to put that above A5 to blend it out under my brow bone. Then we're going to go in with C4 and we're going to go on the outer V to darken up and smoke out that edge. Then we're going to go in with C5, which is a beautiful green crush shimmery pigment. It's absolutely stunning. We're going to pat that in the inner corner to just give that beautiful gradient between C5 and the orange that we laid down prior. Then we go in with D5. D5 is a crush pigment again. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful kind of orange soda color. And I thought I'd do a nice little ombre effect between the green and the gold, and it turned out absolutely stunning. Now that the eyes are done, we go in with my Morphe foundation in F480. It's matte and it's absolutely beautiful. Mind the face expressions because I don't know why every time I try and get into nooks and crannies, this is the face that I make. Back to the foundation. The foundation is absolutely stunning and it gives me that flawless finish. Then we go in with my concealer. It's the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer in C22. It's absolutely my favorite concealer and it really mixes well with the foundation. I then spray a little bit of Morphe setting spray to make everything melt in together. Then I go in with my banana powder from Jeffree Star Cosmetics just to set the concealer in place. Then I use the powder caramel to set the rest of my foundation. After I'm done baking, I just go and wipe all of the excess powder off. Then I go in with my bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Mahogany. It's such a nice color and it complements my skin tone very well. Just a tip for beginners or anybody who wants to know why I look so ashy right now. I try my best to just use all the powders first and then set my face with setting spray or something like that so all the powders can mix in. You don't really want to go with powders and then creams. Just don't want to mix them up. So that's why I always do all of my powders first. I know I might look cakey and I might look dry, but it really is worth it because once you put the setting spray on, everything will melt together and you'll be looking flawless, honey. Then we go back in with C4 to drag and smoke out my under eye. This color is absolutely stunning and pigmented to the gods. I love the way that it just blended so effortlessly. If you do not have this palette, go and get you this palette because the palette is absolutely stunning and you won't be disappointed. Now this really stole the show. I've had these sitting down in my house for literally 2 years and I haven't used it, and I said to myself I really want to get a nice pigment, so I took it out. I made the plunge, guys. I took it out and this is from Mannerisms. It's in the color Envy and it's absolutely stunning. The way that it worked, a little bit of matte fix plus, it made it glimmer, it made it shine, and it just really brought this whole look together. Then I went in with the Revolution X Patricia Brights palette. It's absolutely stunning. Actually, I was just testing it out to see if it's my flavor, and it really is. It comes with a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter, and I use both for this look, and it's very cute and compact. I then go and line my waterline with my black Morphe pencil just to darken up and make it nice and smoky. Then go in and use my Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. And then this happened. I was less than impressed. Then I go in with Morphe X Jeffree Star, and oh my god, are you seeing this color? This is the liquid lipstick that they collabed on, and I don't even know what to say. This color is rich and it really made this whole look come together. Forget the little liners on my nose. As you saw from the last clip, I made a boo-boo, but I had to wait for it to dry to then go over it. I then go in with Opulence, which is from Lily Lashes. This is a light mink lash. It's absolutely stunning. And here comes the fun part. We're now going to use the Methron palette to put the final touches to seal in this look. You know, we're going into the Wakanda feel. We're putting all these beautiful lines and making it very tribal, because my dad is Black Panther and my mum is Storm. Even before the wig, this look looks absolutely stunning. I'm now going to be using these jewels to just put a little bit of royalty to it, because you know my dad is the king of Wakanda. And yes, we're coming to the final part of the look, and this is the look, guys. I'm absolutely happy with how everything has turned out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And without further ado, here is the TikTok trend.
My loneliness is killing me. I must confess, I still believe. When I'm not with you, lose my mind, give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time.